Hi, in this motion picture I am going to be teaching you guys about for loops. Now, for loops are kind of tricky at first, but once you get the hang of it, it'll be like riding a bike. Like it's pretty simple once you get it. So, what do we want to call this function? Function count, because that's what we're going to do. We're going to count some numbers here. Now, what we're going to do is for, and then var I equals 0, and then semicolon, and then you want to do I less than, and let's go with 10 for now. And then another semicolon, and then you want to do I, and then plus plus. Now you want to follow this format. Like obviously you can interchange this, you could switch up this, you could switch these up, but they have to match. You can also change I, you could make I Z, you can make it anything really that you want, but this is the standard format besides all the numbers and stuff. This, and this is like a standard for loop. And so what we're going to do is we're going to say print line and then I. And what this is going to do is it's going to print out all the numbers from 1 to 10, or 1 through 9, because it's less than 10. It's going to go up to 9. And what a for loop does is it just keeps running this. It keeps running until it hits whatever number you have here. For example, we have 10. So once it goes through this 10 times, it's going to stop, because I cannot be greater than 10. And let's run this, and it prints out 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And so if we wanted to make this 100, it's going to print out 0 to 99 like this, because I equals 0, and it starts at 0, so it's printing out I, which is equal to 0, and then it runs, and I is equal to 1 because of this. That's why I equals 1, because I is equal to 0, and it prints line, it prints out 0, and then it comes back, and I is added to it, so it's 1, and so it prints out 1. And it keeps doing this until it gets to 100, which it can't, because we told it not to. And so it stops at 99.